This is a great movie. I think it's Chasing After You or something, but that's how I want you to chase after God. Like you chasing after your relationships, no breaks, just chase after God, just like that, okay? But it's a great movie. I'm gonna put a picture up, and I'm gonna link whichever platform you're on. I'm gonna put a link below, or as much information as I can below. Just hit the 3 dots and see the rest of the information. But that's a great movie. It's kind of like, it's getting a little low budget, you know what I'm saying? But the message is great. There are great lessons in it. Just see it through. And let me know below, have y'all already seen the movie? Are you going to go watch it? Then once you watch it, come back and tell me what did you think about the movie. Because I like to think I give great recommendations, period, okay? Psalm 31, verse 12, 11, and 1 is good for emotional healing. Because that's big. That's a number one. You need to emotionally heal. You don't want to be walking around with all this baggage. You know what I'm saying? So your person can't come into you. Okay? Let that go. To Psalm 146, verse 3. It's good to feel unafraid to trust. Okay? Because that's big. That's another big one. Psalm 105, verse 4. That's another one that you can read for that. And Psalm 34, verse 7 and 8. To meet the right person. Now this, we ain't trying to manipulate nobody. We want God to, you know, lead you and guide you. So use that one to assist you when you praying. Be like, hey God, help me because my way been wrong. Okay, lead me and guide me on what I need, who I want. Because sometimes God can send you the person you're praying for, but they not gonna come probably in the package that you want them to come in. But then I be thinking, like, how you gonna ask God for a gift, then tell him how to wrap it and present it to you? You can't do that. Don't do that, okay? So yeah, that's good for that. And just always keep God first in everything. I always pray to him and ask him to lead you. God, he gonna do it. It's just sometimes, you know, people want things right now, like the microwave. We want it instant, you know. But sometimes just be patient and wait on God, okay? And instead of doing this, trying to do some love magic, do some love magic on yourself. This our free yourself candle. Free yourself from situations that no longer serve you, okay? Our self-love candle. Try it out. Work on